Welcome to this brand new training video coming to you from Clickbank Success channel. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to get buyer traffic to your Clickbank affiliate links within 24 hours and make your first sale within 24 hours. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on my YouTube channel, then please smash the red subscribe button, click the notification bell, and select all the boxes so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Add this video to your favorites. If you love my videos, give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. My channel is all about Clickbank affiliate marketing, promoting Clickbank offers, making money online, working from home, traffic generation, lead generation, how to build successful internet marketing funnels that will build and grow your business. So if you're related to any of these topics, then please smash the red subscribe button and click the icon bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. So let's dive into this video. Normally what people do is they will come to Clickbank, they will go to the marketplace, they will go to onto the left hand side, choose a product, and once they get their hop link, they don't know how to drive traffic. And this is one of the biggest reasons why 99% people fail on in affiliate marketing, is because they don't know how to drive traffic. When they don't know how to drive traffic, they're desperate to make that quick buck, so they go out there and start spamming all the social media, and they start posting their links all over the place. So what happens is social media starts to suspend all the affiliate links. Okay, this is a wrong way to do business. What you need to do is, whichever product you're going to promote, you need to build a landing page around that product. A landing page looks something like this. So the money is in the list. You probably heard that phrase already. The money is in the list. The money is in the list. Email marketing, ethical email marketing. Okay. Now you could build a landing page like this for free. You could also use free tools. You could also hire someone to do this. If you have HTML skills yourself, you could do it yourself as well. It's very easy. Or you could use paid tools as well. I use a tool called ClickFunnels. You could use any tool for this purpose, okay? So you need a landing page. Second, you need is an autoresponder account. This is where all your email lists or all your email subscribers are going to be stored. So you could see here, I have over 52,000 people who entered their email into a similar page like this, saying that they are interested in learning how to make money online. Now, if I want to promote any product, I just have to write a quick 5-minute email, blast that email out, and those 52,000 people are going to receive that email. And obviously, I'm going to get thousands and thousands of clicks. And also, if it's a good product, I will also make potential sales. So the money is in the list. So before you drive any kind of traffic, you need to set all this up, and you need to have email follow-ups. In your case, you might not see the follow-up series. You will see campaigns. Okay, so you need to set up these email follow-ups. These are email follow-ups that will go on your behalf on completely autopilot, one email per day, promoting different affiliate offers from Clickbank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and any other website. So once you have this in place, then you are ready to drive traffic. Now, I have a complete video on my YouTube channel talking all about this, how to set this up, where to get the email follow-ups from, how to build your landing page, etc. Make sure you watch my other videos. Okay, I will have it on this video on the on your right top corner as well. It will pop up. Just if you click on that later on, you will see it. Okay, if you click on that, you will able to watch the complete video on that teaches how to create these landing pages and email follow-ups. Okay, so let's dive into the traffic part. How do you drive traffic? How can you drive traffic to a page like this, where you could build a list of subscribers and start making sales? There are so many traffic sources out there. The best traffic source is called pay-per-click marketing, driving traffic using Google, Bing, etc. But the problem is that if you're a beginner, you don't have any experience, you don't have any technical skills, you don't know how to drive traffic. So we're going to talk about a traffic source where you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience, you just pay the money, and the traffic starts rushing straight to your lead magnet page. You start building an instant list, and potentially you start making money. Okay, and the traffic source is one of the network called Udmi. I'm going to show you step by step how to drive traffic using Udemy. Okay, I'm going to show you how to find the right buyers, the right people, so you could start getting quality traffic within 24 hours and start making sales within 24 hours. Okay, and by the way, in the description box below this video, you're going to find another traffic source as well, which is a premium traffic source that you could use to promote Clickbank offers in the internet marketing niche and also in the weight loss niche. A lot of people have been asking, is there a way we could drive traffic in the weight loss niche and build a list? And the answer is yes. The premium email traffic source is going to be posted in the description box below this video. Make sure you check it out after you finish watching the video, okay? So how do you use this Udemy Solo Ad? So first of all, what you want to do is once you have joined Udemy, you could join Udemy through the link in the description, through my link in the description box below this video, or you could just go straight to udemy.com. But if you go straight to udemy.com, you will not get a personal network message. But if you join through the link in the description box, you're going to get a personal network message from me, and I also help people answer your questions. So you could message me. You could see here, these are all the people who have been messaging me, asking me questions, and I'm always answering their questions, helping them out. So if you join through the link in the description box, you can message me, you can ask me any questions, okay? So let's go back. Once you have joined Udemy, what you want to do is you want to go to the find sellers, and you're going to find all these people down here. So let's just go for this person. This guy looks like a newbie to me, so we're going to go to this person. And the first thing you want to look for is this part here, the buyer percentage. The higher the number, the better. Anything above 15%. If you just hover your mouse, it tells you exactly what it means, okay? And you can see repeated buyer 15%. But more than that, what we want to look for is we want to look for this, okay? So we could see the first person who got a sale just yesterday. Okay, we're going to scroll down and we could see this person got a sale on 24 Feb. Okay, and then we're going to click on show more rating, and we're going to find 5 sellers in the last 30 days, 5 sales in the last 30 days. Okay, so we could see that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 5 people got a sale in the last 30 days. So this guy is matching our criteria. That is the criteria you want to see for anyone who says that they have generated a sale using his traffic in the last 30 days. Okay, so if it's good, what you want to do is you want to buy traffic from this person. Okay, so you want to come back here, just want to go back, and you want to buy traffic. So you want to start off with minimum 300 visitors. You want to select only top tier. That means UK, US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, English speaking countries. You also want to select prime filter, making sure that you're getting quality traffic. Okay, and remember, whenever you promote a ClickBank offer, make sure your offer is mobile friendly. This is one of the biggest mistake people are making. They are just selecting the product based on the commission. They don't even know if it's mobile friendly. And what happens is when they start driving traffic using solo ads, majority of the traffic is going to be coming from mobile devices, and if you don't select a mobile friendly page, you're going to lose out. You're not going to make any money whatsoever, and then you're just going to get frustrated and give up. That's what happens. Okay, but remember one thing, persistent is the key to success. You need patience, and you need to create a never giving up attitude. If you never give up, you are never going to fail. Okay, so how do you know which page and which offer is mobile friendly? You're going to see a mobile sign like here. Can you see this mobile sign here? That mobile sign means that this is a mobile friendly page. So whichever product you choose, make sure it has this sign, so you are making money. Okay, so once you got your offer, once you are ready to buy traffic, you're just going to post your landing page URL here. But before you do that, you need to track your clicks. So I highly recommend you use a tracking tool. There are free tools as well, there are paid tools as well. I use Clickmagick. Okay, so if you're going to use Clickmagick, this is how you set it up. You're just going to go to links. Okay, and then you're going to click on create a new link. You're going to put anything. I'm just going to put testing here. I'm just going to put anything down here as well. All right, and then you're just going to put your landing page URL in here. Just paste it, create a link. All right, and once you have created your link, you're going to start getting traffic. So you could see total clicks, okay, unique clicks, all right, and fake clicks. These are all fake clicks and fake clicks. Now you're going to get approximately 15 to 20 fake clicks. That's normal, all right, but you shouldn't get more than that. If you get more than that, you need to take a screenshot and send it over to him. This is why I tell you to track your clicks. Now you could use any tracking tools. I use Clickmagick. It comes with a free trial. The link is going to be in the description box below this video. So what you want to do, you just want to click on your tracking link. You want to copy this link here, okay, and you want to come back to Udemy, and you're just going to paste it into this, and this is where you're going to get all your traffic. Okay, that's how simple it is. So what happens, you're going to get up to 300 visitors. You're going to start receiving traffic from this guy, and then you're going to track your sales after the 7 days of email follow-ups have kicked in. Okay, so you want to have 7 days of email follow-ups going out to your subscribers per offer. So you want to promote one offer for 7 days, another offer for another 7 days, another offer for another 7 days, one email per day. And after 7 days, you're going to go into your affiliate network and see if you made any money. Now, even though if you didn't make any money, don't worry, because in the beginning, you are going to lose a bit of money. That's going to happen. That's part of business, okay? But don't worry, once you start building a list and building subscribers, once you start growing your list, you get up to 5,000, 10,000 subscribers, you're going to start making money from different angles. So you're going to make all that money back. Okay, so in the beginning, if you lose a bit of money, just don't worry about that. Down here, the purpose is to build a list, not to make money. But still, we want to stay on the safe side to make sure that this guy's got a very good traffic. So what we want to do is we want to look for at least one sale. If you made one sale, even though we didn't break even, we didn't make any profit, we just made one sale, then we're going to buy traffic again from this person. And this time we're going to buy traffic of 500 visitors. If we made money again, then we're going to buy 750 visitors. If we made money again, then we're going to buy 1,000 visitors. And if we made money again, then we're going to keep on buying until we make money, okay? If we didn't make money, don't worry. You haven't lost any money. You haven't wasted any money. Like I said, this is we're focusing on list building. So what you want to do, you want to go back to find sellers and buy traffic again from another person. And this time you're going to buy again 300 visitors. And then you're going to go through the same criteria again, what I just showed you. If you still didn't make money on it again, then you're going to buy traffic again the third time from a third person, 300 visitors again. If you still didn't make money again, then now it's time to look into this, why you're not making any money. Even though we're just looking for one sale, we're not looking to make a profit, we're not looking to break even. Like I said, we're focusing on list building, building a list, building subscribers, because we know that once we start growing our list, we're going to make all that money back eventually. So we don't need to worry about that. But we just want to stay on the safe side, making sure that this guy's got buyer traffic. So what is it? What's going wrong? So we need to look into our open rates. First of all, we need to look into our opt-in rate. What's our opt-in rate? Okay, it has to be above 25%. If it's above 25%, what we need to do is go into our follow-up series and look into our open rate. Anything above 10% is good. Okay, in your first couple of emails, you should have above 20% open rate. Okay. But if it's above 10%, it's good. If it's below 10%, you need to change the titles. Okay, title plays a big game in your open rates. Okay, if it's everything is looking good, then you need to either it's your mindset. Okay, you don't have the right mindset, or it could be because the offer. So in that case, you just want to go to Clickbank and choose another offer. It might be the offer that's not good. And here's one recommendation. Before you promote any Clickbank offer, you could send a message to this guy and say, hey, I'm willing to promote this offer. Is this offer being promoted by anyone in the last 3 weeks? If he says yes, then you want to stay away from that offer, because if it's been promoted, then you're not going to get any sales or conversions most likely. Okay, but if he says it hasn't been promoted, or it's been promoted but it's been over 6 weeks, then you might want to check promote that offer yourself. Okay, now before selecting an offer, you just don't want to look for the mobile sign. You also want to put yourself in a newbie shoes and ask yourself, if I was looking for a way to make money online and looking for training, if this offer came across my eyes, would I purchase the product? If the answer is yes, then that means it's a great fit for your customers. If the answer is no, then you want to stay away from that offer. For instance, okay, this offer down here. This offer is all about ebook, how to create an ebook and how to make money. A lot of people don't resonate with this offer. Now, if I was in my newbie shoes and wanted to looking for a way to make money online, and someone sent me this offer down here and I looked into the sales page, I would say no, because I'm not interested in creating an ebook. Okay, so if it's no for you as well, then that means your customers are not going to like the offer as well. So you don't want to promote that offer. Remember that is a very important fact. Okay. If you made money, now if you know what you're doing, then you could buy traffic from 5-6 different people simultaneously and drive traffic. Whichever one's making you money, keep that traffic, scale your business to the next level. Whichever one's not making you money, just put that onto the side. Okay. But if you're just getting started with Clickbank and you're just a Clickbank beginner, then in that case, you always want to do one at a time. Do not drive traffic from 2 different sources at the same time. Otherwise, you're just going to give up. You're going to get frustrated. The whole point is never, ever give up. If you never give up, you're never going to fail. Okay. Now, if you want to find all the links in the description box below this video, then what you need to do is, first of all, when you scroll down below the video, you're going to see this subscribe button, red subscribe button. First step is click this red subscribe button. Step 2, click the notification bell. Step 3, select the boxes that you want to get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. My channel is all about affiliate marketing, making money online, traffic generation, ClickBank affiliate promotion, etc. If you're interested in any of these topics, then please smash the red subscribe button and click the notification bell. Number 2, you need to understand that my channel has helped thousands and thousands of people all over the world, okay? Some of the people have been struggling for months and years. Once they came to my channel, they start watching the video, they have started to make money. And the reason is that I'm a firm believer in doing walk the walk, not just talk the talk. I teach what I do myself most of the times, okay? So if you really want to learn proven and tested methods to make money from home, and you want to quit your 9-to-5 job as soon as possible, then you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So please smash the red subscribe button and click the notification bell. After that, you're going to see this description here. If you click on show more, it's going to open up the whole description, and you're going to find all the links and tools to help you build a 6- and 7-figure internet business. You could find a link to Udemy as well. Just click on that Udemy link, and you will also find the traffic source link, the premium email traffic source link, where you could promote make money online offers and also weight loss offers. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you being a subscriber. I really appreciate you watching my videos, and it would be appreciated if you love my video, you give me a thumbs up. And remember, I'm always answering all the questions on the comments, so please leave a comment. Let me know if you want me to cover another topic. Let me know. I'm ready to cover that topic as well. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.